In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your video using CapCut. Adding a border can give your video a polished and professional look, and it's a simple process once you get the hang of it. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together, ensuring you can add that extra flair to your videos with ease. First, we begin by accessing the Elements tab in CapCut. This is where you can find various graphical enhancements to apply to your projects. In this case, you're going to search for border. If you don't find something suitable, don't worry. You can also use a basic shape from the available options. This gives you flexibility in choosing the style and design that best fits your video's theme or your creative vision. Once you've found the perfect border or shape, the next step is to drag it above your video on the timeline. This action ensures that the border sits over your video layer, making it visible in the final output. It's much like layering a frame on top of a photo. By placing it on the timeline above the video, you make sure no part of the border is hidden behind your footage. With the border now on your timeline, switch your focus to the preview window. This handy tool is where you'll resize and reposition the border. It's quite intuitive. Simply click and drag the corners or edges of the border in the preview window to adjust its size. When resizing, keep in mind the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. A well-proportioned border can enhance the presentation without overpowering your content. Also, you can click and drag the entire border to reposition it until you're satisfied with its alignment and placement. Next, let's customize the border further through the Style panel. Here, you have the option to adjust both color and thickness. Choose a color that complements your video, perhaps matching the theme or setting the mood you want to convey. Tip: a contrasting color can make the border stand out brilliantly, while a softer, complementary color might offer a subtler look. Similarly, you can adjust the thickness of the border. A thicker border can create a bold statement, whereas a thinner border might provide a more delicate touch. Experiment with these settings to achieve the desired effect. By following these steps, you've seamlessly added a stylish border to your video using CapCut. Take your time experimenting with different elements and styles. The creative possibilities are vast. As you get comfortable with this process, it'll become a quick and easy addition to your video editing toolkit. Thanks for joining me today.